During the geographical position of the Azores, in the middle of the ocean between the two continents, European and American continent, we are actually the best spot to find American vagrants. The American vagrants are a target for many bird watchers from the north of Europe, and more or less 10 years ago the Azores get discovered as a paradise for these bird watchers. Every year we find new birds which never have been seen on the Azores, and also some of them never have been seen on Europe still. Every year we have around between 7 and 10 new species in the Azores, and on the moment we are reached almost 400 species. There's also more fanatic bird watchers, we call them twitchers, who are looking for strange birds, rare species. We have also, we call them bird lovers, people just like birds, and they go to the Azores as well to combine the nice climate, the landscape, the nature with something else which is completely unique.